Welcome to Festive Flavors. Today we are going to cook a delicious recipe, the stuffed tomatoes. Stuffed tomatoes are made of tomatoes which are stuffed with a mixture of paneer and potatoes, combined with a medley of spices and herbs. All this comes together to make the finger-licking and lip-smacking main dish which is served with dal, roti and rice. Amaze your family with this explosion of flavors in your next meal. Watch the video till the end to view the health benefits of tomatoes and the ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Also, share it with your friends and family. Click the like button if you like the recipe. Be featured on Festive Flavors by taking a picture of a recipe prepared by you from our channel and tagging us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming video. Let's look at the ingredients. Tomatoes 8 round medium-sized and firm, boiled potatoes 3 medium-sized, paneer 1 cup grated, onions 1 sliced, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, green chili paste 1 teaspoon, cinnamon stick ½ inch, cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, chaat masala 2 teaspoon, ginger chopped 1 teaspoon, green chili chopped 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, ginger 1 tablespoon sliced, coriander leaves ½ cup chopped, oil 3 tablespoons. Let's get started. First, peel and grate the boiled potatoes. Add chopped coriander leaves, chaat masala, half of garam masala, half of Kashmiri red chili powder, chopped green chilies, grated ginger, salt, and grated paneer. Mix everything very well. Set it aside. Now cut the tops of all the tomatoes. Do not discard them. We will need to close the tomatoes later with these tops. Take a bowl. Now scrape the pulp out of the tomatoes. Take care not to tear the skin of tomatoes. Collect the pulp in a bowl. Blitz the pulp in a blender to use it later in the curry. Have a handful of toothpicks ready. Take small portions of potato and paneer mixture and fill in the tomato cavities. Take care not to overfill the mixture, but at the same time do not leave any empty pockets. Fill them tightly. Now put the lid on the tomatoes and pierce 2 toothpicks on the tomato as shown in the video. The toothpick should pierce the lid and the lower portion of the tomato. Fill all the tomatoes with the stuffing. Keep all the stuffed tomatoes aside. Heat a pan, add oil, then add cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Add cinnamon stick. Now add sliced onions. Cook till golden brown. Now add garlic paste, ginger paste, coriander powder, turmeric powder and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Take care not to burn it. If it starts to burn, add a spoonful of water. Add the rest of the Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything. Now add the tomato pulp and mix well. Add green chili paste and salt. Mix everything and cover and cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep sauteing until the moisture evaporates and thickens. You will notice trace amounts of oil has started to separate from the sides of the masala. Now place all the tomatoes in the masala, spacing them like in the video. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low to medium heat. After 5 minutes, turn the tomatoes, scrape the masala if it sticks to the pan. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. The stuffed tomatoes look done now. Sprinkle some bhuna garam masala over the top and some coriander leaves. The link to bhuna garam masala is also given in the top right hand corner and the description box below. Top it with some ginger juliennes. Stuffed tomatoes are ready to be served with chapati or naan and dal and rice. Dal and rice go very well with stuffed tomatoes. Try it and let me know in the comment section below. Let's look at the tips and tricks for making perfect stuffed tomatoes. Take round and firm tomatoes. Take precaution to not puncture the skin of tomatoes while scooping. Make the paneer and potato mixture which is not too soft to stuff the tomatoes perfectly. Do not overstuff or understuff the tomatoes. Do not turn the tomatoes very often to retain the shapes of the tomatoes. Let's look at the health benefits of tomatoes. Tomatoes contain large amounts of lycopene, a carotenoid, and an antioxidant that is highly effective in scavenging cancer-causing free radicals and hinders the growth of prostate and breast cancer cells. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamins, especially vitamin C. It also contains vitamin A and potassium as well as iron. Lycopene in tomatoes prevents serum lipid oxidation, thus exerting a protective effect against cardiovascular diseases. Regular consumption decreases the levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood. Vitamin A in tomatoes improves vision. They have a large amount of fiber, hence great for gut health. Tomatoes contain impressive levels of potassium, which reduces the tension in blood vessels and arteries, thereby increasing circulation and lowering the stress on the heart by reducing hypertension. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button below if you like the recipe. Also, tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new video. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.